Click on the subscribe button and remember to press the bell icon for regular notifications from our digital blogger. Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Today we are comparing Fyers, a discount broker, with Sharekhan, an evolved full-service stockbroker of the industry. In this comparison, we will be talking about the company backgrounds, account opening and maintenance charges, brokerage plans, exposure or leverage offered across segments, research accuracy, trading platforms performance, and some other features that can help you to figure out which of these two stockbrokers is a better choice for you. Let's get started. So starting with the company backgrounds, Fyers is a discount broker and Sharekhan is a full service one. Sharekhan has been there for a while now, launched in the year 2000, while Fyers saw its first light of the day in the year 2015. As of now, Sharekhan has presence in around 1950 locations of the country, and they are a member of BSE, NSE and few commodity exchanges of India, while Fyers is just a member of Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. As far as account opening charges are concerned, if you're looking to open an account with Fyers, you don't need to pay anything for the demat or trading account. It is absolutely free. For the demat AMC, you need to pay 400 rupees every year. Sharekhan, on the other hand, charges you 750 rupees for your trading account. It's quite expensive. And AMC is at 450 rupees every year. So at AMC level, both of these stockbrokers are almost similar, but account opening is definitely very high in comparison to Fyers of Sharekhan. In brokerage, well, the difference is also not so less. Sharekhan charges you 0.5% of your trading turnover for delivery. Fyers charges you 0.1 or 100 rupees, whichever is lower. So from percentage point of view, it is 1/5 the cost of Sharekhan. So Sharekhan in a sense is 5 times more expensive than Fyers is. And at the same time, it's not that 0.1% you have to pay. It is below 100 rupees, then yes, that number is payable from you. In any case whatsoever, you are not going to pay more than 100 rupees per order from Fyers. In terms of intraday delivery, the difference is 10 times. Fyers charging you 0.01% or 100 rupees, while Sharekhan charges you 0.1% of your intraday trades. In future and options, you can see similar level of trends, almost 10 times every year, in every segment. 0.01, 0.1 here, 10 rupees, and 100 rupees here, 0.01, 0.1, 100 and 10. So from every perspective, we are seeing here Fyers is 5 to 10 times much lower or cheaper as compared to Sharekhan in every particular segment you can think of. There are some plans, however, offered by Sharekhan, and for that we need to go to our digitalblogger.com. That will probably help you to figure out whether Sharekhan in any way whatsoever is suitable for your pockets or not. So we are looking at the review page of Sharekhan. Now there are a couple of plans offered by it. There is a postpaid plan where you need to pay an initial deposit of a specific value. For example, if you go ahead with 25,000, then your delivery will be at 0.5%. One thing you need to consider here is that you cannot open an account with them at any deposit amount which is less than 25,000. That is the minimum you need to open an account with Sharekhan. If you go ahead and increase that particular initial deposit to, let's say, 1 lakh rupees, then your brokerage goes to half at 0.25% in delivery trades, and similarly you can take it to as low as 0.1% if you're depositing a value of 20 lakh rupees. Similarly, other segments also see a drop in the value they are charging you as brokerage, but this value is supposed to be paid at the upfront. Then there is a prepaid plan where you need to pay a subscription price while you're opening an account with them. So if you go ahead with a basic plan of 750 rupees with the default cost of opening account with Sharekhan, then your brokerage is at 0.5%. In case you increase that amount to, let's say, 6,000, then your brokerage goes to half at 0.25, and if you take it to 2 lakh rupees, your delivery brokerage is as low as 0.08%, which is very low, significantly low in a sense. But one thing you need to consider here is that whatever value you are putting up in this prepaid plan is non-refundable in nature. You will not get it back, nor neither the amount will be refunded to you, nor this will be adjusted to your brokerages. So this is sort of a subscription price you're going to pay. In lieu of that, you're going to get this particular brokerage charge from Sharekhan. So in a sense, yes, it is expensive and definitely suits the people who've got heavy pockets with them, and correspondingly they can pay for these hefty amount of brokerage charges to Sharekhan. Moving ahead, talk about exposure or leverage. Well, if you open an account with either of these, Sharekhan will open up the exposure rates up to 10 times for intraday, and Fyers can take it up to 15 times. In case of delivery, you get 3 to 5 times from Fyers and 5 times from Sharekhan. In other segments, you can see that you are going to get consistent value of 5 times from Fyers, while more or less there is no exposure from Sharekhan. So from exposure or leverage perspective as well, Fyers definitely beats Sharekhan hands down across all the segments we are looking at. Then customer service, one of the most important factors of choosing a stockbroker. Now Sharekhan, being a full service stockbroker and certainly a prominent one, it offers you email support, live chat at times, not a regular feature. They also have phone, toll-free number and the offline branches we discussed initially. So in terms of number of communication channels, Fyers only provides you email support and phone. So Sharekhan definitely wins there. But when it comes to the overall quality and the resolution period, or the quality of the resolution that is given back to you after you raise the concern, more or less they are similar, but we will pass on the marginal value to Sharekhan just because of the factor that they have higher number of channels than Fyers for the customers to reach out to them. Moving ahead, if we talk about research and trading products, now Sharekhan, being a full service stockbroker, offers you all kinds of recommendations, trading calls and research reports at daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly and yearly level. So there is no concern at that perspective. The accuracy is also good. It's not so bad. It's definitely in one of the best, more than average ones. Fyers does not do any of that. They just provide you news alerts because they are a discount broker. Expecting them to provide you trading calls at such a low brokerage is actually a crime in a sense. So yeah, you will not get any of the recommendations or reports from Fyers. In terms of trading segments, you are limited to equity, mutual funds and currency when you're trading through Fyers. Commodity is something that they don't really have opened up as of now, but they might do that in the future. Sharekhan, on the other hand, offers you at least 8 to 10 different trading and investment products to trade through them, including equity, mutual funds, IPOs, currencies and commodities that you see on the screen. Now finally, here are some other features that can probably help you to figure out if these are valuable to you or not. SMS alerts are provided by Sharekhan, while automated trading, the concept of that is offered by Fyers. While Sharekhan is ahead in market tips, margin funding, and they also provide you a relationship manager. Now all of that comes at a cost, and we have seen the numbers and seen the values there. As long as you're okay to pay those numbers, you can get these privileges from Sharekhan. Now we will spend some time in talking about their trading platforms. We'll start with their mobile apps, and then we'll talk about the other terminal and browser-based softwares. So we are looking at Fyers Markets mobile app, which is rated at 3.8 by around 160 users. Out of that, around 25% of the users have rated this app negatively. So certainly that's a signal for them that they need to buck up and take up the user feedback and comments and incorporate them if they make sense to the mobile app. They definitely have a decent focus. Their upgrade frequency is around 4 to 5 weeks, which can be improved by a week or so, but the last update was seen on 27th of March 2017. The app has seen an install range of 5,000 to 10,000, and there are few concerns with this particular mobile application. So if you are looking to do your fundamental analysis through this mobile application, historical charting functionality is not present. Guest login autopay does not work. It's a persistent issue, but they have not solved it as of now. Users cannot set up notifications and alerts within this mobile application. So there are few concerns, and if they improve their update frequency cycle to, let's say, 3 weeks, then they can definitely buck up and improve the overall trading experience of their clients using the mobile application. Then there is Sharekhan. Now Sharekhan has a very strange story when it comes to mobile apps. Now they have launched at least 4 to 5 mobile applications in the whole tenure, and what they do is whenever mobile application sees a lot of negativity in terms of numbers or the feedback from the clients on the Play Store, they just launch a new app. So that is what they have done the last 3 or 4 times, and now couple of weeks back they've launched a new app called Sharekhan app. They've called it by the brand name itself. As of now, it's performing decently well as compared to the last apps that were rated at 3.5, 3.4, 3.6 at times. This app is currently rated at 4.4 by around 1065 users. Out of that, around 12 to 13% of the users have rated this app negatively. So overall satisfaction score is decent at 87%. There are still concerns when it comes to the performance of the application, and the user experience can also be improved. This app is regularly updated since it's a new app. So as of now, at the start at least, they will be updating one patch at least every 1 or 2 weeks, and this is what is happening right now. The number of installs are in the range of 10,000 to 50,000. So yeah, number wise, this app as of now after a 2-week duration looks good, but it definitely needs a lot of time to see the overall maturity this application brings and the number of features they introduce on a regular basis. And let's say after 2 or 3 months, we will be able to conclusively say that this app is a good enough app from Sharekhan or not. As far as comparison with Fyers Markets is concerned, well, it's a tough one simply because it's a new app as compared to Fyers Markets app, which has been there for a couple of years now. So that app from maturity perspective has done a lot of updates in the past. So what we'll do is you can go ahead and create your demo user ID and passwords. Check out the guest logins of these applications, take it from the executive if you want to, and have your own experience, do a demo by yourself, work it on your internet connection and see which one works for you the most. You have to check out the number of features offered, the speed or the performance the application provides, the usability, how easy or tough is navigation of different features if you are using this application by yourself. And there are other concerns as well, but these 3 or 4 points will majorly cover the overall experience that you're going to get while you're trading actually on the stock market. So you can do that to make out a winner from the mobile app, but maybe in a couple of weeks, a couple of rather months, we'll take a stand on Sharekhan app and then give you a conclusive idea whether it's good or not. If you want to have a detailed understanding of these mobile applications, what you can do is check out this detailed review what we have done on ourdigitalblogger.com. It talks about features, gives you all kinds of screenshots along with that, talks about the stats, gives you negative and the positives of using this mobile application from both of these stockbrokers, and that is where you can make up your mind more clearly if you want to do it that way. So that is one way to do it, and we will be providing you the links of these reviews in the description of the video for reference. If you talk about other trading platforms from Fyers and Sharekhan, we are referencing here at ourdigitalblogger.com. So looking at trading platforms of Fyers, the terminal-based software called Fyers One, it's a decent application. In terms of features, it's pretty exhaustive. For technical analysis especially, it gives you multiple types of features. For example, you can get data up to last 30 days. It has more than 60 technical indicators. There are stock screeners that can help you to make a quick judgment. There are heat maps, basically gets you away from wasting your time on looking at the numbers. So it's basically a pretty decent app in terms of performance, making money on the stock market, especially at the intraday level. So terminal-based softwares have a good competition here because Sharekhan also has a prominent mature application called Trade Tiger. Now, Trade Tiger has been there in the stock market for a while now. Sharekhan is an old stockbroker, as we have seen, and Trade Tiger was the first attempt, and from maturity perspective, this particular application, this particular terminal-based software has seen a lot of updates, allows you to trade across multiple entities, be it equities, currency, commodities, derivatives, IPOs, or even mutual funds, and performance-wise it's also good. So the competition is pretty decent here, pretty neck to neck. But if you want to pick out one of these two, well, we will say you go ahead with Trade Tiger from terminal based software's point of view. because it definitely wins in terms of the maturity this particular application has seen, and definitely it's an evolved software for trading perspective. Again, if you want to have a detailed look here, we review of Fyers 1, 2. You can check it out from multiple shades here. Talks about all kinds of features, positives and negatives, to give you an idea from a 360-degree point of view. Similarly, this is done for Trade Tiger. So here is the review of Trade Tiger. Pretty much similar in terms of the structure here, but obviously the features, the positives and negatives and the overall details are very much different when it comes to Sharekhan Trade Tiger. So you can do that. You can have a detailed understanding by going and visiting ourdigitalblogger.com. Then if we talk about other trading solutions from Fyers, we talked about the mobile app already. Then there is Fyers Web Trader. Now this is a browser-based, very lightweight application, can be accessed through any particular browser, any particular device. Does not require a lot of configuration from your end. It gives you minimalistic sort of an idea and definitely gives you a smooth experience for your trading purposes. So for sure a recommendable solution, and at the same time, even though it's lightweight, but it provides you all kinds of features and performance related areas within the application. Definitely recommendable software. Before we make a winner here, we need to see what Sharekhan has to offer. So Sharekhan also has a web-based application. You need to go to the Sharekhan's website, click on login, put in your credentials, and you can start trading. But from performance, from usability, user experience point of view, the application is very minimalistic. Number of features are limited. User experience can be improved. It in fact has not seen an update for a couple of years now. So from that perspective, definitely we will go ahead and pick up Fyers Web Trader for your trading purposes. In terms of browser-based application, and at the end of the day, it really depends on what kind of solution you want. If you want to pick one particular stockbroker in terms of trading platforms, then mobile app, huge competition. Go ahead and check it yourself. Do a demo. In terms of terminal-based software, go for Sharekhan's Trade Tiger. In terms of browser-based application, you can see the winner on the screen right now called Fyers Web Trader. Depending on your preferences, pick out a stockbroker and the corresponding trading platform from that. So that is it as far as comparison between Fyers and Sharekhan is concerned. We have talked about multiple facets, starting from the company backgrounds, pricing, trading products, trading platforms, exposure, a lot of features. Now it's up to your preferences and your requirements, and based on that you can pick either of these two stockbrokers. If you want a call back from Fyers or Sharekhan, or you want to have a word with an executive that has a stockbroker matching exactly what your requirements are, what you can do is check out this link, ourdigitalblogger.com/free call back broker choice. Put in your preferences and your details there, and we will be setting up a call back for you absolutely free. So this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. We hope you liked it. In case you did, please go ahead and press the thumbs up button. We'll really appreciate that. You can also subscribe to our channel, Our Digital Blogger, for similar videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching the video again. Bye-bye.